Removing the power steering hose from a 2000 Lexus ES 300. Common failure with these vehicles is the power steering hose going bad. So basically, what you have to do to remove it is remove this hose here. There are two screws up top, one here, one right there. They're in the brackets to hold the power steering hose in place. It's this one right here, and then the other one is somewhere over here, right behind this relay and fuse box. And from there, this cover, this wheel cover, is removed. Once you remove it, you then detach the power steering hose, the rest of it, the other end, right here from this connection right here. You take it and you just pull it and get it out. Good luck.